love. So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from that moment I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change, love. So many people use your name in vain, love. Those who have faith in you sometimes go astray, love. Yeah, through all the ups and downs and joy and hurt, love. For better or worse, I still will choose you first, love, love.